2 ways how I improved our customer stories page, the most important page of our B2B SaaS website. We love to show all of our customers off. It's the most important thing we have at Univid, and we're really proud of them. But it serves 2 really important pieces for our growth. Social proof, so it shows that customers are already using the product and loving it. And 2, it also sets some real-life examples on how to use the product and how you can actually get benefits out of it. First thing was adding use cases as categories. To easily browse through all of our 30-40 cases, you could easily just find your specific category or the webinar you want to host. Let's say it's one for communities. And then you could just browse through all the cases there and also find relevant CTAs, like create community webinar now. And also the second thing was something I got inspired by different SaaS, Submagic. A shout out to them. They use personal CTAs for their cases, and I really like that. So I implemented it today. So for example, do like Sally, try Univid now. And in this way we give a really personalized hook into the platform at relevant points in the customer journey. So you read the quote and it focuses on the person giving the quote, makes it personal and stand out, and also nicely integrated in the colors of the brand or company that gave the quote. So I'm really excited to see how this impacts our growth. I think it will do wonders, and hopefully it also gave you some inspiration on how you use customer stories to grow and get some inspiration for your websites out there. So see you in the next one.